You stink.
I know I'm not that good, man, but you don't be that mean to me.
I didn't mean like that. I mean like, you stink.
Ugh, that's true, bro. What do I do?
Have you heard of Sweet Socks?
What are sweet socks?
Sweet Socks, they help your feet smell better so you can play better.
Really? Where can I get them?
Well, lucky you, I have an extra pair.
Can I borrow them?
Yeah, man, go for it.
Thanks, bro.
Go slip them on. Sweet Socks help your feet smell better so you can play better. Like this. Watch how I do against this one-on-one. Go, bro.
Shit.
Shake.
Oh, nice shot.
Thank you, bro. It's the Sweet Socks.
Yeah.
You know what? Have a try.
I'll try it out. Yeah. Man.
Bro, you need some Sweet Socks too.
Yeah, hungry.
Sweet Socks help me. They give me that extra adrenaline rush so I can keep going. In every game, I would be nothing without Sweet Socks. I just keep going like there's no tomorrow. You slip those on, bro?
Yeah, dude.
You ready for it?
Damn
Yeah. Try those Sweet Socks out, man.
How you want to win?
Do it.
Kick.
Thank you, Sweet Socks.